Good morning, friends. We have seen its general characteristic of algae. Now we are going to see detailed structure of this organization of algae. First, we are going to see thallus organization of algae. Algal thallus organization can be broadly classified into unicellular and multicellular. Already I said it. Thallus means do not differentiate into root, stem and leaves, which we cannot differentiate. This is root, this is stem, this is leaf, because from top to bottom they are look like similar. So that is also called thallus. That's the reason we are calling as a thallophyta divisions. So unicellular, okay. So based on the thallus, okay, organization, they are divided into two categories: unicellular and multicellular. Unicellular further divided into two categories. One is non-motile unicellular, another one is motile unicellular. So a single non-motile cell carrying out all essential function. For example, reproductions, okay, absorbing nutritions, okay, and there's reproductions, life cycle, and all the purpose. When you do it, it is also called non-motile unicellular. Here this because they don't have a flagella which is present in chlorella, yeah, for example. Then next one is motile unicellular. First one is non-motile unicellular, here motile. So a single cell with flagella. So the flagella, which is for locomotion from movement to one place to another place. They are vary in shape and size. So the unicellular forms may be, okay, they are spherical, oblong, pear shaped. They may be elongated fearing flagella, which is present in Chlamydomonas. And first one is the based on the thallus organization, they divide into unicellular and multicellular. So unicellular, which is also divided into non-motile unicellular, motile unicellular, based on the flagella which is present over the algae. So the second one is multicellular. Multicellular, it's a colony is formed by aggregation of individual cells. Colony is formed by aggregation of individual cells. They are also divided into two categories. One is non-motile colony. So individual cell in the colony lacks of flagella. Often they have a xenobium. Xenobium is a colony with definite number of cells and having constant shape and size. A definite number of cells having constant shape and size, which is also called xenobium. So which is present in pedestrian algae. So when you move to this motile colony, so motile colony, individual cell in the colony possess flagella. The flagella which is help us to move one place to another place. Often they have a synovium. For example, volvox, the cells may be 500 to 50,000 cell which is present. They are interconnected with each other with the division of labors, so which is present in volvox and gonium. So this is the diagram which is given to you. So the golden look like the yellow color one, that is algae. So volvox, then next one is gonium, one motile colony example. So next, the third part is this third thallus organized type is, which is also called formoid or amorphous colony. So what is formoid or amorphous colony? So here numerous non-motile cell embedded in mucilaginous matrix. Okay, so the cell wall, it is our cell which is surrounded by mucilaginous sheath, which is our gelatinous sheath which is surrounded over this cell wall. So this number, size and shape of cell is not constant, unlike xenobium. Xenobium, they have a constant number. Here they don't have a constant number. It's numerous number of cell which is present over here. So all cells are independent and fulfill all function of this individual. So each cell, they can perform their work, they can take care of themselves. So this is which is present in Tetraspora, Chlorosaccus. So this kinds of formoid and amorphous algae which is present in Tetraspora, Chlorosaccus. And fourth one is, first one is we have unicellular, and second one is multicellular. Third one is dendroid. Okay, so formoid we have seen it. The fourth form is dendroid form. Dendroid form, it is a tree-like appearance. The plant body appear as a tree-like under the microscope. So mucilage often seen at the base of this organism. For example, Ecbalocytis. Okay, so this is present. Okay, dendroid form, it is a tree-like in nature. And fifth one is the algal groups, Filmentous form. Cells are arranged often upon the other in definite sequence. They are unicellular filament which is occur. Filament may be branched, there are may be unbranched. So unbranched filaments, so the cells are arranged one above other without any branching points. That is present Spirogyra zygnema. So free floating algae. Spirogyra zygnema are free floating algae. And nostoc, Anabina, Spirulina, Eulothrix, Eudoconium, these are attached to the substratum by specialized cells. So one is free floating one, another nostoc, Anabina and Spirulina, Eulothrix and Eudoconium, they are attached to the substratum, have a specialized cell which is present. There it is also called hold fast. Okay, that have it. And first one is unbranched one, we said it. The next one is the next form, it's branched form. The filamentous with branching, often they get dichotomous branching. They have a branch. They have a two dichotomous branching which is occur in cladophora, pithophora, bulbochaete. Third one is there's filamentous form. First one is unbranched and second one is branched. Third one is pseudobranched. They are appear like branched under the microscope. Actually, branching is due to close association of unbranched individual filament which is present cyctonemo. So they are appear like it is pseudo appear like it's branched under the microscope. Actually, the branching due to the close association with of unbranched individual filaments. And we are moved to this another types. We have a filamentous. We have seen it. One is we have seen it. This unbranched one. Then second one is branched one. Third one is pseudo-branched one. So and sixth form. So heterotrichous form. Hetero mean different. Trichous means it's a presence of more than one filaments. So the plant body consists of prostate system from which can erect systems. They have two systems in the plant body. They have a prostate system and which an erect system develops. So they are also called primarily projecting system. Branches may give rise to primary projecting system, secondary projecting system. Sometimes they have a tertiary projecting system which is present chlorophysi member. Then final form is siphaneous. Siphaneous, they have an elongated body without septations, many nuclei which is present in a common protoplasm that is called as cenocytic conditions. They are multicellular plants lacking of usual septation which is present in Vaucheria, Botridium and Codium. So this next form is pseudoparenchymatous. Pseudoparenchymatous, which is also called as uniaxial and multiaxial. So uniaxial, close juxtaposition of the branch system, single main axial thread which is formed the thallus. Plant body consists of one main parenchymatous axis and all other are side branches, which is example Petra, Cosperma, Dumonita. Multi-axial form. So parenchymatous form, first one is uniaxial, then second one is multi-axial. Main axis made up of association of many pseudo-parenchymatous threads appearing as more than one axis, Phallisiphonia and Contris. Parenchymatous forms, this in algae, cell division is associated as septation in all planes. It's lead to parenchymatous body, which is present in Chara, dictyota and laminaria. It is a sieve tube like structure similar in higher plants. So these are the chlorella which is present. It is which is present, and it is chlorella which is they don't have a flagella, non-motile form, which is their motile form flagella which is present Chlamydomonas vaucheria. And these are the eudoconium. They have a specialized structure which is fixed in the substratum, which is called holdfast, coleochaete, frigilla, alva, fucus, and sarcasm. Sarcasm, they have air bladders, so which can easily float on the water. So we are summarizing this algal structure which is present in algae. So algal, they are divided based on this structure. They are divided into unicellular and multicellular. If it is unicellular, they are motile, which is present in Chlamydomonas, and also non-motile, which is also present in chlorella. So if it is multicellular, they are divided into several categories. They are motile and non-motile. So non-motile colony which is present in pedestum, amorphous colony which is present in microcystic, and dendroid form which is present Dinophyria. And Filmentous, they have three types: branched, okay, unbranched, simple branch, and pseudobranched. So unbranched one which is present Eulothorax, and this Cladophora which is present branched form Pseudoparenchymatous Scyctonema. And Heterotrichus which is present in Cara, siphaneous form which is present in Vaucheria, Pseudoparenchymatous monostra, and Parenchymatous which is present in Alva. So these are the unicellular Thallus, non-motile, Filmentous one, and motile one, Filmentous branched one. So thank you.